Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing and opening the account manager. Back up any contacts or data tied to the Google account so you don't lose essentials. Once done, unlock the phone and confirm you know the device PIN and the Google password. This prevents lockouts. Now open Settings and tap Accounts or Users and Accounts. This screen lists every account on the device. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and not mid-sync. That reduces interruptions and ensures accurate sync status before you remove an account. Next, select the specific Google account and inspect its sync options so you know what will be lost. Tap that account, then choose Remove Account. Android will show a confirmation that explains which app data will be removed. If Remove Account is disabled, go to Settings, right arrow Security, right arrow Device Admin Apps, and disable any Google-related admin access, then return and try again. Make sure to revoke access for apps tied to that account to avoid residual permissions after removal. Finally, restart the phone and confirm the account no longer appears under Accounts. This ensures removal completed cleanly. Open Gmail or Play Store to verify you're signed into the desired account only, and re-add any needed accounts through Settings, right arrow Accounts if you removed the wrong one. If the Remove Account button is grayed out, make sure you disable Device Admin for that account first. If that still fails, back up everything and consider a factory reset as a last resort to fully remove the account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.